Hello.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Don't cut on the call. I get ready.
Okay, okay. Are you busy, ma'am?
No, I'm free now. We can start.
Okay, okay. No issue.
Am I visible?
Yes, yes, you are perfectly visible to me.
Yeah.
Yesterday
Okay.
I called, no, yesterday I called to you, but when I called to you, no, so my father just gave me work of field work of agriculture. So that's I told you to please wait 1 minute. And my father was calling that to bring the spade.
Okay. What for? What your father scolded?
Yes, yes, because my father is a farmer. So my
Hmm.
father just told me to bring a spade, kudal.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Shall we start our introduction?
Yes, yes, yes. First you go, and after that I will introduce myself in front of you.
Yeah. Okay. Myself, Lata Beregoda, and I hold my graduation in BCom and simultaneously YouTuber and married person, and I come from Karnataka. And my hobbies are reading, listening, and get some devotional songs at free time and play with my children whenever I get some quality time. That time, this is my small introduction. You can see.
Yes, yes. Lovely, lovely introduction, sister. That given by you, your introduction is very charming, and I carefully listened your introduction. And now my turn is coming for introduce myself in front of you. So this is Rajiv Kumar. I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer, and my father is also a farmer. And this is my short introduction. So while giving introduction by you, that you are telling about that you are from Karnataka and you have just finished your bachelor of commerce and your gardening and your listening music and you are just having a lot of hobbies, different kind of hobbies you are having, just like devotional song are also you are listening. But do you think that listening devotional songs give you peace in your mind or not?
Yeah, exactly. It gives a peace for my mind. Whenever I do feel demotivated, I deliberately go for devotional songs and indulge myself listening to that song. Like this way, I can upgrade myself and I can uplift myself where I fall down, so that I would like to get devotional songs. That's all.
Yes, yes, it is a good thing when people get depression and when people get difficulties in their life. So on that time only the people just remember to the God and they just remember and listen the devotional songs of Lord Shiva
Yeah.
and Lord Pavan and Lord different kind of god are available in India. But you know, my dear sister, that a large number of gods have born in the inside the India. No country have such facilities of god. Just like India means our India have a lot of god.
Yeah, our India is standing by believing of gods, but Indians people are spiritual persons, I can say.
Superstition.
Hello?
A Western country and Western country just like England, just like South Africa, America, don't have any kind of much superstition.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Devotional. So
Hello? Hello?
of the
Your voice is breaking. Hello?
hello. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Mm. Okay, your voice is breaking. What were you said? Shall you repeat once more?
Yes, yes, of course. I was telling that India has a large number of superstition, especially in the area of village. But superstition is not available in the city area of the India. But superstition is not available much, not available in the Western country, just like America and England.
Mm.
I want to say that I want to say that Western country, just like America and Italy, Germany, and Australia, don't have much superstition than the
Mm.
India. So they are just a developing country. They have developed much than the India. But India is still have been a developing country till now because of superstition and because of the different kind of thinking, negative mind, and just like negative mind, I can say that casteism and uh, and brotherism, and you can
Brother,
familyism.
you,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
you used
brotherhood.
one word, brotherism.
Yes, brotherhood, and familialism and corruption. This kind of all kinds of superstition available in the uh, village area of the India. So that's why still our country is not developing country. But this is the one disadvantage of the India for
Mm.
getting development, for not getting development.
Yes, you are 100% right. Still, our India is getting developed.
Yes, yes. But you know what is the difference between developed country and developing country and underdeveloped country?
Mhm. Yeah, I can say our Indians are laziest persons. I can say
Yes, yes.
I am not saying for all persons, but at least I am saying for laziness persons
Yes, yes,
who are,
yes,
yeah, who are being
yes, yes.
lazy, but we have interest, but not ready to dedicate, not ready to indulge ourselves in English. But we feel that we must do this thing. But when does it come action?
My dear
We
sister, that
Yeah, yes, sir.
yes, yes. Tell. I am listening your voice.
Yeah, but we feel that I must do this work. I have to do that work. I will have wound up this work this time, by this today. Like this way, we just feel and think. But when does it come to action? When do we need to take action for do that thing? That time we again give up ourselves. We again regret ourselves. And once more, making excuses. I will tell, making excuses is not an option. Getting excuses, we don't really get anything in our life. So that if we want to do, we must do those things. We must achieve those things at the right time. Nothing comes easily. Nothing we can't go at once. But step by step, gradually, deliberately, we must improve ourselves. I would suggest for all audience, whatever the thing we need to achieve, must go towards our goal. That's
No, no. According to me, China and Japan have developed country, and India is not developed country. It is developing country because China and Japan and America have a large number of industrial sector and a large number of machine, and they have known about science. They have technology. They have large scale of technology. Their agriculture sector is good, and their education system is just good in compare of India, and they have just giving their school children to not theoretical knowledge, they are just giving practical knowledge every sector. So they are just developed country. America having this kind of facility, China having this kind of facility, and Japanese having this kind of facility, so they have become developed country. But India is not following these rules and regulation, so still India is just developing country.
Yes, you are absolutely all right. Yeah, it's still developing country.
Yeah, but no, when India got freedom in 1947, so on that time there was a very backwardness in India, just poverty, just about terrorism, and just loud separation of Pakistan from India, and China attack on the India, and Pakistan attack on the India, Kargil war in 1999. So there was many problem inside the India. So that's why our country is not going forward, just like a backward country. So there is a main problem.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
population of India is also increased because if I am talking about the Japan, so Japan population is just like one state population of India. If I will talk about the population of the Japan, so if I will tell about the two states of India, and means that if I will talk the population of the Bihar and UP, so all the population of Bihar and UP is equal to the Japan population. So population also matter for developing countries.
Yes, population is also sometimes matters to develop our country because we need to offer proper facilities, infrastructures for people like
Yes,
food,
yes.
house, and rice. Like this, what they need to live, we need to now provide so that we. That is also main reason to have undeveloped. That's all.
Yes, yes. You know that every work in every sector of the
Mm,
in every sector means that there are three kind of sector, just like primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Agricultural
mm,
sector is called primary sector, and industrial sector or factory sector is called secondary sector, and service sector is called just like tertiary sector. So all the three sector just China and America and Japan are using machine. Okay, but in
mm,
three sector in India they are not using machine, just using hand work. Just like
mm,
cottage industry are just
mm,
using inside the
mm,
India. That's why they are not a developed country. But
mm,
still now, after 50 years from now, the India will achieve the goal of the developed country. I can think that, but the population of the India will have to be controlled.
We must reduce our population.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. What's your qualification?
Yes, I am graduate. I am graduate, and I after doing the graduation, I just was preparing for government examination. But my father was become old, no, so that's why I was helping my father for farming. And I am
Mm,
happy with my farming work, and I love my farming because I am a farmer, and I can think that I am producing different kind of vegetables and different kind of grains, just like the summer season is just going to be start, and right now the spring season is going on, and you can see that above my head just sunlight is directly coming from my head, and behind me you can see that the wheat plant is standing, and half of the wheat plant have grown, and they become ripe, and I will harvest from 5 days from now. And I can think that I am happy with my life, and I know everything about the farming. So I am producing just like different kind of grain, so that I can fulfill you all. basic needs, just like roti, kapda, and makan, just like fooding, sheltering, and clothing.
Mhm. Yeah, okay. I too also enjoy farming because of my husband does farming. In that time, I also love to support my husband for farming. Okay.
Yes, yes, you support your husband, because my mother is also supporting my father to do the farming. Always my sister, my elder sister, and my elder brother, and my mother also, after finishing their household chores, just like cooking, just like washing clothes, and just like feeding to the cow animals, and just come to the land, and together just finishing all kind of agriculture work, just like giving water to the paddy, giving water to the all vegetables, and cutting and mulching process of the agriculture, poisoning to the insect, and different kind of work available inside the agriculture sector. The agriculture sector is not a small thing. The agriculture sector is a very big thing.
Yeah, once we love do farming, we always think that we need to do that, we need to do that like that. I also go for my agriculture land. My husband also cultivates. So in that time, I would like to help him, or at least I would go for once or twice for our agriculture land and help my husband and come back home and again wind up all household chores.
Yes, 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 yes.
Mm. Okay, what do you cultivate on your agriculture land usually by your side? By I means Bihar.
Yes, yes. In Bihar means that I am having two lands. One land
Mm,
is just very close to my home, and one land is also available with my father, which is very far from my home.
mm,
So the land which is very close and very near to my home, on that land I am just growing different kind of vegetable, just like ladyfinger, brinjal, potato, tomato, onion, and green chili, different kind of items of vegetables I am growing. But the land which is not very far, which is 1 kilometer far from my home, on that land I am just growing paddy and wheat. Okay,
mm,
on that places, because because it is, because if I will cultivate on that land which is very far from my home, just like different kind of vegetables, so I will have to look after also. So it is not possible for me to look after every day and every times coming from my home to the go to the largest field of my home. So because that time other village people will come and they will thief my all vegetables. So I am not growing vegetables on the furthermost area, which is very far from my home. On that land I am just growing paddy and wheat, because I am standing on my farmhouse farmland, and it is 1 kilometer far from my home, and on that land I am growing wheat, because all in the field are full of wheat. Okay, so so not thief will come and they will not thief.
mm, mm. Yeah, okay. I am so much curious to let know about growing of wheat. Can you please tell me that how do you farm that wheat? Because in our side we don't plant wheat and also even don't have idea about wheat. But I would like to know about that something different. You can tell me that.
Yes, yes, because you don't have winter season. So because of the winter season, because of the lack of winter season, you are not growing. Okay, if you will
Mm,
grow, no, so that will be not successful in your area, because you have mentioned in the while giving your introduction that you belong to Karnataka. I think that
mm,
Karnataka is just capital of Karnataka is Bangalore, and you are very close to the Bangalore area. But
mm,
Bangalore
mm,
area and your Karnataka area have summer season only, not winter
mm,
season, and rainy
mm,
season having. But
mm,
in rainy season having temperature of 25 degree or 100 degree Celsius. But your area temperature only suitable for growing the rice, not
mm.
suitable for
Paddy,
the
paddy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
paddy,
paddy,
paddy.
millet, corn, and sugarcane, and
Yes, yes.
you can say tender coconut. Like this way, we can grow
Yeah,
for
yeah,
our
yeah.
water.
Coconut is also growing in your area because in when I watch South
Mm,
Indian movie, so South Indian is South Indian movie full of coconut tree and palm tree.
mm,
Also, I am seeing farmhouse. Also, I am showing.
Yeah, we also have one farming. We do dairy farming, poultry farming, sheep farming, rest after that, and also
Yes,
we
yes,
grow tobacco. Do you know tobacco?
yes, yes. Tobacco, tobacco, khaini, tambaku.
Yes, we do farm that tobacco. We
Yes, yes.
already
Chewing khaini, chewing khaini.
Yeah, we already
Chewing.
planted tobacco seeds and we are totally about growing up tobacco. Upcoming, I can say after 15 days, we can definitely plant tobacco on our farm. For that purpose, I need to go for agriculture land.
Yes, yes, yes. It is a good thing that because you don't have any kind of winter season in your area
Mm,
because South India only having a summer season. All the 12 years, all the 12 month having the same season, just like evening and morning, just having summer season. So, so that you know about the some advantage of the Rabi Fasal. Rabi Fasal is just need Rabi Fasal can be grown only in the winter season. So in
mm,
my area, winter season is available. So I am just growing wheats in my area. When winter season, when cold season will come in the month of November or December, after cutting out paddy, just I am just cultivating that land, and after that I just spread their seeds of the wheat by the tractor or by the hand. Okay, and after that, after 15 days, they will just sprout. Okay, the seeds of the wheat will come out from the ground after sowing, and after that I will give water 2 times only in compare of the, because that paddy is only one crops that needs more and more water, and but in compare of the in compare of the, in the case of wheat, there is
1 minute,
only.
sir. 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Shall we connect one more time?
Okay, okay, no problem.